Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, there is a clear pattern forming towards an upside. Okay, and then there is a continuous trend towards an upside. We can see if we go on a day wise chart, I'll show you clearly, which I'll upload tomorrow. Okay, then you can see the clearly day wise chart. But weekly chart, there is a continuous upside and chances are high if the price keep moving above a level of 2.7. Probability is very high. It will cross a level of around $3.1198 and a probability of crossing this 3.2 will be there. And if the price keep moving above this level, a probability of going above a level of 3.38 we can see, and then from there a further upside we can see. Looking at this particular chart, chances are high that if the price started going above a level of 3.67, there is a higher chances of going further upside. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we can see, this is the trend what we have seen. I've told you that overall trend is upside, and if the price going above a level of 2.8, because there is a clear U pattern is forming, and the level at a level of $3.13 is already being weak, so chances are high this resistance once coming above a level of 2.9, it will cross a level of $3.13 and it can touch a level of 3.2. Once the price started sustaining above this level, a probability of crossing a level of 3.38 we can see, and then to a level of 3.5, and this is the zone of started going above this level of further upside. Now if you look at this particular trend, see, this is the continuous upside we have seen. Okay, after lockdown, what was happening, that the price of natural gas, even if you see the crude price, it was moving in the same way, that whenever it is making a new high, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sharp fall we have seen. Okay, at this level. Why? Because profit booking has come at these levels. Okay, and after that it was trying to form a swing, that is where it is going upside. Looking at this particular chart, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that to see. There is a continuous upside, probability is higher till the time it is sustaining above a level of 2.7. Okay, if you look at the dollar index also, dollar index is playing an important role, so you have to understand the dollar index was trying to go again upside. Okay, but yesterday we have seen a fall, so it is creating a pattern. If the price started sustaining over level 104.3 or 5, a probability of further upside was there, but now there is a higher chances that it can come down. So if the price started going below a level of 104, a further downfall we can see. If that level move further down, a probability of touching 103.8 we can see, and from there a level of $103.6. Okay, keeping this in mind, you have to understand looking at this particular chart, because see, overall trend is downside in the dollar index, and dollar index is playing an important role. That, see, suppose the price of dollar index started going down, we have seen the natural gas price is coming up as well. If the dollar index started going upside, we have seen the natural gas prices coming down. They are inversely related, so you have to understand that till the time the dollar index started not going above level of 104.4 or 104.5, we will not see the upside in the dollar index. Okay, but if the price started falling below a level of 103.9, a further downfall we can see, because this is the zone what we have seen, that once the price started moving below a level of 103.9, a further downfall we can see, and as soon as the price started falling 103.9, probability of touching 103.5 also we can see. That means if the dollar started going down, we will see a natural gas price will come up, but if the dollar started going higher, we can see natural gas price will fall down. Okay, if you look at the day wise chart also of natural gas, you have to I have to show you, because see, there is a clear pattern forming towards an upside. Okay, so probability of going upside we can see. So now look at the weekly chart. So suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see in the natural gas price, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go towards a level of around 2.9884. Okay, if the price started going above that particular level, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 2.9884, and then to a level of around 3.0796. Started moving above that particular level, chances of going towards a level of 3.1381 will be there, which is already being weak resistance. So chances are it will cross that level, and from there a probability of touching 3.4884 will be there. And as soon as the price started going above this level, it will cross a level of 3.67, which is already being weak resistance. So chances are high it will cross that particular zone, and we can see it can touch a level of 3.96. Okay, and if that sustained, this gap can be filled at a level of 4.1 to a level of 4.3. Okay, and if the price keep moving over this level, of further upside movement we can see. Now suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see because market is always uncertain, so you have to understand, suppose a swing is forming, so if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come down towards $2.8351. Okay, if the price started going below that particular level, we can see a level of $2.6002. If the price keep moving up below that particular zone, chance of touching a level of 2.5 we can see. Okay, and then a further low we can see towards a level of 2.43. Okay, suppose if the price started moving below that particular zone, chances of touching a level of $2.28, and once started moving below that particular zone, chance of touching 2.21. If the price keeps falling below that particular zone, chance of touching a level of 2.13 we can see, and then to a level of after 2.13 we can see a level of 2.0534. Okay, and then to a level of 1.98, and then to a level of 1.85. If the price started falling below $2, I'll make another video where it will go. Okay, so once the price started falling below a level of 1.98, then it will touch a level of 1.85, and then this is the zone where the price will come. So the probability is higher that it will move below a level of 1.7. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.